Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie and in today's video we're going to find out which soft touch set is the comfiest. So let's get into the video. I feel like every brand is hopping on the soft touch and loungewear trend, so I thought maybe I should put it through the test and try out two different brands. So I placed an order at Bershka and I also placed an order at Stradivarius. I'm going to review them on 4 different categories, and those categories are price, composition, feel, and how it fits. So let's get into it. Let's open up the packages. This is the first one I'm going to open. It's from Bershka. Look at the box. It's so easy. You can just hold it like this. It's like a cute briefcase. So this is the set, and this is something else I ordered, but forget about that. It's about this set. I had to figure this out, but it's actually a set that's attached to each other. I ordered the medium because the small was sold out. So it's from the Be Comfy collection. It's one of their newest collection, I think. They had so many cute corset dresses and corset tops, but it's like so cold in Belgium, so I thought I'm not going to order it. Sophie, you can never wear it. But now let's open up the other package and let's see how that looks like. So these are the 2 items. We have the jacket and the top. First category, price. So the Bershka set is listed as 1 item and that was 46 euros or $45. And this set, it was only 32 euros, so $37 for this and this. I think you can call this like a bigger price difference because it's more than 10 euros. But yeah, next category. The next category is composition. So this Bershka set is made of 99% polyester and 1% elastane. The composition of this one from Stradivarius is 66% polyamide and 34% acrylic. And as you can see, this one is a little bit more furry than this one. This is just like a soft fabric, but this one feels a lot softer. I'm just going to say it, this one from Stradivarius feels a lot better. So let's move on to the last category and I'm going to try it on. This is how the set looks like. I did expect the jacket to be less oversized and the buttons were also very hard to open up. I don't know, I think if you want the softest set, I would go for this one, but now I'm going to try out the other one from Bershka and let's see what we think of that. This is how the set looks like. I actually do like the color. It's a bell sleeve, as you can see. It comes with a zipper and an elastic around your wrist. And it also has like an elastic right here on the bottom hem. It's a little bit too big because I don't like this at all. I really like this set from Bershka, but the winner of this challenge is the one from Stradivarius. And if you're more into zippers than buttons, you should get this one. It's also very comfy. This one is softer. This one is just so soft and you want to wear it forever. So that's it for this week's video and I see you again next week. Bye bye.